Namaste, welcome to Havila Selcha Kitchen. Today our recipe is double cheeseburger chicken tikka pizza recipe. Pizza is one of the most covered food item from children to adults. Because of pandemic around, people are unable to get their hands on pizza. As they are unable to order, so I decided to make and post one video of pizza. Now let's see. Take a bowl. To that add 1 glass of warm water and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now add 1.5 tablespoon of dry yeast. Mix well and keep this aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Now take a bowl with 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Add a pinch of salt and 3 tablespoons of oil. Now add the yeast mixture to this and make it like a dough. Here is our dough. Now sprinkle some flour on top of the kitchen surface and knead the dough in it for at least 10 to 15 minutes until you get a smooth and soft dough. Now keep the dough in a new bowl and close the dough with a wet muslin cloth for about 1 hour. Now take another bowl. To that add 200 grams of small pieces of boneless chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder. Salt as per your taste. Half teaspoon cumin powder. 1 tablespoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala. Half tablespoon pepper powder. And chaat masala, optional. Kasturi methi, very small. Half tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Now add 2 tablespoons of yogurt and mix well. Once it is nicely mixed, to that add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and add some mixed herbs and red chilli flakes. Add only as per your taste. Mix this well and keep this aside. Now coming to dough, you can see the dough has doubled its volume. Press it. Okay, now make a roll and cut it into 3 portions. Now using 1 portion, make a chapati as shown. Now make holes using fork and keep it aside. Now take a pan for making pizza. Today I am not going to use oven, so I decided to use this pan for making pizza. Sprinkle some maize rava after applying oil to the pan. Now keep another portion on tawa and make it like a pizza base as shown. Now place some cheese slices on it. And cover and seal it with the chapati prepared earlier. Make sure you close it nicely as shown so that cheese won't come out of them while cooking. Close carefully. Once it is nicely closed, now on top of the pizza base apply homemade pizza sauce. You can find link for pizza sauce in this video's description box. Now sprinkle some pizza cheese or mozzarella cheese. Keep chicken tikka pieces which we marinated earlier. Now place some onion slices and capsicum. Now sprinkle some cheddar cheese. This is optional only. If you don't have cheddar cheese, you can avoid adding it. Now sprinkle some red chili flakes and also some mixed herbs on top of your pizza. It's time to cook pizza. For that, keep dosa tawa on stove. On it, keep the pizza pan and close the lid and cook this for about 10 minutes in very low flame. While cooking, you can find cheese getting melted. Then remove the lid and dosa tawa. Now place this tawa on top of the pizza pan as a lid, which you can see in the video. Now place some fried charcoal on it and let the pizza cook for under 7 to 10 minutes. So yeah, that's all. Now our double cheeseburger chicken tikka pizza recipe is ready. Enjoy this pizza with your family and friends. Hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching our video and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Have a kitchen. Thank you. Bye bye.